Hi everybody, my name is Karine and today I will show you how you can use virtual writing Tutor. It is a free brilliant English second language grammar checker for someone like me who is a French native speaker. I am currently at my second year studying paralegal technology at Anfic College. It is a program that forms you to become the second hand of a lawyer or a notary. We are studying certain laws, including the Civil Code of Quebec and the Criminal Code. We also do research in the legal field and we learn the judicial process. We also do many other things. After university, I would like to be a crown prosecutor and work at the courthouse. So, in this profession, I will need to write many letters to send to the defense attorney, and I will also need to plead in court. That may be a challenge for me because there are lots of complicated words related to my field of study and I need to write them and to pronounce them correctly if I want to look professional. That is why this website is very useful for me. So, when you want to open the website, you just have to type the URL in the address bar at the top of the screen, which is virtualwritingtutor.com. When you are on the website page, you will see in the top left corner of the screen that there is the logo. In the middle of the screen, there's the text area where you can write your text or paste it there and check if you made errors. On the right hand side of the screen, there's a microphone with which you can register yourself saying a word and the website writes the word in the way you pronounce it. There is also the text-to-speech button that is helpful to improve your pronunciation because it pronounces words in the right way. For example, if I do not know how to write courthouse, I can write it in the text area and click on the text-to-speech button. So now I know how to pronounce it correctly. This button will be very helpful for me when I will have to plead in court in English. But for my field of study, the most useful tools are the check grammar button and the check spelling button because I will have to write in English more often than I will have to talk. So, for example, he is being prosecuted for sexual harassment on a 13-year-old girl. The check grammar button is useful for punctuation errors, common grammar mistakes, contextual spelling errors, word choice errors, and false connects. Once you click on the check grammar button, at the bottom of the screen, in the middle, you will see how many words you have, right there, how many errors you made, and the error density. You can also find those information when you click on the Count Words button. With the check grammar button, you will also have the list of mistakes you made and some feedback that explains to you why you did those mistakes. And the website also gives you suggestions of how you should write the word. So there I see that years do not take a S, so I can correct myself. After that, if I click on the check spelling button, the website underlines in red the word misspelled. So now I can see that I have two spelling mistakes, one in sexual and one in harassment. Now I just have to click on the left button of the computer mouse and it shows me the proper way to write each word. Yay! After that, the Field Related Vocabulary button, right there, is helpful to find 1, 3, or 10 fields of study related to my text. So if I click on 1, it refers me to a link where I can learn more about this field of study. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this screencast and that I help you understand more the website. Do not forget that you can share the website on many social media with the button on the top right corner of the screen. And have a nice day!